To get to the Google options, you just pull down the main screen here and then you click on Manage. And here you can do the typical things that you can do in Google Android. If we want to look for an update, we can go to System and then we can go to System Updates and it will open this screen and it will look for an update. If we want to add an additional account, we can go to Password and Account and you can see what accounts we're already logged in at. If I go to Add Account, I can add an additional Google account here. When you first turn this on, it's going to take you to a screen like this and ask you to sign into your Google account. You will need a Google account to use this, or you can create a new account. Just enter your email address, click next, and follow all of the directions. Because this is Google Android, you can download anything in the Play Store. So let's say, for example, we want to download Google Classroom. You just type in Google Classroom, do a search for it. It's going to show all of the apps, and I'm going to go ahead and install that right now. This does come with a bunch of Google apps already, but if there are additional Google apps that you want to install, you can just go back to the Play Store and look for whatever app it is you want to install. So for example, if I want to install Google Task, I'll just go in here and hit install, and you can install anything on the Play Store.